In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Vizio TV in case you're having those lines, vertical lines appearing on the screen. I'll show you a few different solutions, so hopefully one of them will work for you, and don't worry, none of these requires you to open the TV. So let's start with the easiest of them. So turn off your Vizio TV and then unplug it from the wall socket, like this. During 5 minutes, you don't have to plug it back. Then find the power button on the side or under it and keep it pressed during 30 seconds. Don't release it, just keep pressed during 30 seconds. Once the time has elapsed, what you'll need to do is to plug back the TV into a wall socket. Don't plug it into a power strip. Sometimes those power strips are not reliable and are causing the problem that you're seeing on your screen. A second solution you can try is to go in the back of the TV where the HDMI cable is connected. Just unplug it, find another HDMI cable that you have laying around in your house and use that one instead. Then plug it back into another HDMI port. So if it was plugged like mine in HDMI port number 2, plug it in number 3 and check if the lines have disappeared. If they're still there, what you can do is to unplug the cable and with your thumb apply some pressure on the HDMI ports. Sometimes things get disconnected in the back, and by doing this you reconnect them. Apply some pressure, don't worry, you won't break anything. Do it maybe 10 times and then plug back the cable and push it very firmly inside. I have another solution which requires you to give some solid taps on the back of the TV. To do this, take a towel, okay, a rag, anything, and put it on the screen. Keep it there so the TV doesn't fall down. With your other hand on the back of the TV, with the palm of your hand, you're gonna tap very firmly on every inches of that surface. Okay, up there in the corners, in the middle. This way we can reconnect maybe some ribbons that get disconnected with time. Make sure that you hold your TV very well because we don't want it to fall on the ground. If this didn't solve your problem, you can factory reset your Vizio TV. I have put on the screen all the steps you need to follow to do it. Sometimes this is the only solution to fix those lines. Unfortunately, this will delete your apps, your accounts, but hey, if you can make those lines disappear, I'm sure it will be worth it. So thanks for watching. If you have another solution, please write it in the comments down below. If not, just subscribe, give a like, write a comment telling me how your day was or anything else about your Vizio TV, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.